Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to talk about MULN Automotive Inc. Sticker symbol MULN. Um, let's talk about the what this means, what the chart means, and pretty much it. If it's a good investment for me or not. But I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. I do not provide financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. So let's go to um, um, price movement within the 52 weeks is 0.18. So it means 18 cents to 8.27, which means $8.27 to 27 cents, with a volume of 171 million 886,294. And So what does the chart means? Honestly, it means that stay away. That's what it means. Straight up, for me, that's what it means. Stay away from this company. Why? Because he's just creating lower lows, and there is no bottom to it. So these little spikes in here doesn't indicate anything. It just means that for you can make some money if you know how to capitalize on these little spikes in here. But when it comes to investing for the long term, is a stay away. This is not a good investment for me for the long term, from the 6, 7, 8 months. First of all, it's in the Nasdaq. You know, it's not an OTC stock. It's just Nasdaq. So it means that there is a probability of doing a reverse stock split. Uh, and seeing the volume of the amount of shares getting reduced from my portfolio is not a pleasing idea. And also for a startup company doesn't have earnings. So it can take forever to make money, because they have a track history of not completing their goals since 2007. So it's kind of tough to stay you know invested in a company like this when the CEO have a lot of voting power, and your shares don't mean much. you know um, uh, as a voting power, doesn't matter. It can do whatever it needs to do to continue um, to reach their goal, which is good, because we all want products to be coming out, and we want the company to start making some money. But it's gonna take a long time for them to start making money. Probably 2020, 2024, 2025, maybe 2026, 2027. You know, who knows? Um, but I'm not a financial advisor, so whatever I am saying, don't take it like it's the Bible. This is just me trying to bring some entertainment to my show, which is investing in the stock market, putting my investments out there, and just for people to see that uh, is possible or not possible for somebody with little to nothing experience investing can make some money in the stock market, which is hard. It's not easy at all. And I've been reading books. I've been reading books and buying books from Audible, which is not a sponsor. Um, 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 it's not sponsoring me or anything. I'm just saying, I've been listening to Audible and try to learn from professionals. But when it comes to a chart like this, creating lower lows, and he's getting to these levels of 19 cents, and not showing a bottom, not showing a stop sign that is gonna reverse, it means to stay away from it. because they can do reverse stock split, which gonna affect more the value of your position from the stock, and things like that. So for my position, this definitely will affect the value of my position in MULN. So I bought in ULN between 25, I think 25 um, to 35 cents. I have to look to give you exact price, but it's in that range that my cost per share was between those numbers, 25 to 35 cents. Okay. And then I sold it for like 46, and I bought again at around these prices right here. Why I did that? Because it was roughly almost 2 days, and the stock was just trading at the price, of 25, 20, 28, 30 cents. So I was like, okay, let me buy again, because probably it created a bottom and I caught the bottom. Like everybody does, trying to cross a straight line within the chart and trying to swing trade it again, and which it worked a little bit. It went up, but it wasn't for too long, so it started to go down. And when I was already in red, I was like, I make some money out of this, and in my first try, so let me hold it. And now we are on 19 to 18 cents. So what does this mean? It means that I do not want to have a sentimental attachment, emotional attachment to this company. I don't want to do that at all, because it's not healthy for my portfolio. It's not healthy for my portfolio. It will affect my portfolio. Yeah, it could give me a amazing return if things were to turn around this month or next month, and they don't do reverse stocks. But yes, it can give you an amazing return, but not here to do hopes and dreams. I'm here to make money and try to be rich. So so what do I do here? um well, I made some money, so I what I can do, and I'm not heavily invested in the company. So what I can do is, um I can do a stop loss. I can set up a stop loss between 15 cents, 16, 15 cents. I'm gonna go for 15 to 14 cents, and I actually gonna take a small loss if it were to go to those levels. But still hoping for a midterm spike, or a reversal, which is the reversal is not here, even though that it might look that it's here, but no. If the reversal was 19 cents, how it's indicating here within the 6 months. So if I go to the 5 days, hopefully it shows me something. No, it's not. Let's go to the 1 month. He says, you see, like, here is more pronounced that it's not a reversal. It's not a reversal. It's a lower. It's low. It could go lower. So when a company like this is doing lower lows and keeps going down, and I cannot change the trajectory of the stock. Stock is already priced in, and people already either put a value to this stock. The public market already put a value to this stock. I'm fighting against the current from the river. I cannot do that. I cannot do that. It's better to cut my losses and look for a better trade, or not to trade at all. So I'm cutting my losses on a level that, well, having lost right now in this position, but almost there is 98% that I will lose money. So I'm putting a stop loss between 15. probably 15 to 13 cents, roughly around there, or 15 to 12 cents. I will take a loss that is not gonna really affect my portfolio because um um it's just roughly 1 to 2% per position. So um, um, uh, sorry, 1 to 3%, 3% for position. So this one I have it like around 2% for the volume of my portfolio. So this I'm not gonna be out of the market at all, but I'm taking a risk in here. So for this one, I am definitely taking a risk. And the books, man, the books from Audible have helped me a lot because kind of, I didn't know about that 2 to 3% per 1 to 2%, 1 to 3% per position. You know, I didn't know that, and I learned that from those books and auction trading and other stuff. So it's good for you, just to, uh, um, if you want to become, you want to start trading, is practice with a with not real money. Just practice with not real money, and as much you study about investing, the better you be. Instead of start risking creating an account, with any of these brokers, creating these from TD Ameritrade, Robinhood, Charles Schwab, instead of, they not sponsoring me at all. But instead of creating inputting real money, you can use a fake, you know uh, not a fake account, but a learning account with no money in it. And then you just practice. You just practice and practice and practice and practice and read books, read investment books, how to manage a portfolio, and all of that stuff before you start training. And then you find, what you're good at. There are people who are good at pattern trading. There are people who are good at swing trading. There are people who are good at picking up companies for the long term. So you just learn and find out what you're good at, and then you do that. you know but I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's only for entertainment purposes only. And talk to a real financial advisor if you want to get and to if you want to invest your money. Never, never, never listen to any of these YouTubers, including myself, telling you about a company trying to hype you up and stuff like that, saying that it can go to $5, $10, $23 and whatnot. It's not. It's conflict of interest, honestly. So pretty much it. Do not invest based on what I am saying. Please do not invest based on what I'm saying. I'm not a financial advisor, and have a great night.